The LG B20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A11 for Straight Talk. So, the Galaxy A11 is now here at Straight Talk. So yeah, so this is what the phone looks like. Y'all guys have a whole point for front-facing camera, earpiece, power and bang keys on the right side of the phone now. So pretty nice little wallpaper as well, colorful and all that. Yeah. On the right side, like I said, power and bang keys. On the back of the Galaxy A11, you guys will have 3 cameras in the back, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and your Samsung logo. So, yeah. So the Galaxy A11 has 4G LTE, of course, Wi-Fi. It has a 6.4-inch HD plus TFT LCD display at 720 by 1560 pixels, a 13 megapixel rear camera. So 1.8 days of usage time, which is interesting. 30 gigabytes of ROM and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So this is about the small phone, so you keep it in mind. Your dimensions on the Galaxy A11: 6.42 inches height, 3.3 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. So it says here, introducing the new A series. The Samsung Galaxy A11 combines smartphone essentials with the trusted reliability of Samsung. Take crisp, clear photos and videos with our powerful triple lens camera. Enjoy cinematic clarity on our 6.4-inch edge-to-edge display. Keep going with a long-lasting battery that keeps going with you throughout the day. And the Galaxy A11 is $179.99. So not terrible. This is a budget phone, so they keep it in mind. So specs, of course, like I said, your dimensions are 6.42 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. The Galaxy A11 was 6.31 ounces, 4,000 mAh battery, 22.25 hours of talk time. Standby time is 22.25 days of standby time, which is interesting. 4G LTE. So what you guys get in the box is you guys an A11 charger, battery, which is embedded in the phone. You will also get an activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. And of course, like it does on all Straight Talk phones, it says the service plan card is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. They do have to tell you that twice. Why? Text SAS 115D out to 611 for over tutorials. Charge up, power through. Spend more time scrolling, texting, and sharing, and less time looking for an outlet to charge. This long-lasting battery has the power to keep up with you. Take your entertainment to the edge. Keep in touch with friends and family, and watch the news with plenty of room on a crystal clear 6.4-inch edge-to-edge display. 3 lenses, endless potential. Capture several portraits, wide-angle shots, and videos with this versatile triple lens camera. Store more. Keep all your photos and apps without worrying about storage, and get up to 512 gigabytes of storage with a microSD card. So pretty nice. That's a pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. So you do get 3 cameras in the back. I think one of them is a depth sensor, one of them is a wide-angle camera. So pretty cool. They're not bad for $180. So if you guys are looking to get a budget Samsung phone, the Galaxy A11 does look very nice. It does run Android 10 with 1 UI on there, so pretty nice as well. So yeah, so there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A11 now here at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It would man a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.